Okay, I'm in front of the highway 1024. So I rented a motorbike. It's a scooter. What is it? A Yamaha Cubics for 250 Thai baht per day. So I deposited 2,000 and it was good to go. So yeah, it's a good motorcycle. I filled a full tank, 75 Thai baht, with gasoline 91 or 95, and I drove already 10 kilometers from the city off. So I think I got another 40 kilometers until I reach 50 kilometers, and that will be at Buakaw Village. So yeah, I think that will take me one whole day to get there and come back. It's gonna be a tough day, man. Check this out. So yeah, so I've stopped in for a nap. Where's the beef noodle? Yeah. Oh, that is ready. Okay, let's try this. All right. So I ordered 40 Thai baht beef noodle from this store. Let's check this out. You have a spoon, fork? Yeah. Oh, down there. Okay, no problem. Okay, let's check this out. Oh yeah, nice. There's some taste, yeah. Soup. There's a nice broth soup. Oh yeah, nice. Delicious. So the yeast that mixes well into the soup. Let me try the beef. Well, not the bad. It's Thai beef, so it's not Aussie beef. But it's still good. It's still alright. The soup tastes very nice, fabulous. And then the noodles. Nice. It's very nice. For 40 baht, it's good, reasonable meal. The soup is delicious. So yeah. So I'll see you later.